In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a username in Telegram. A username is your public handle on Telegram, and it lets people find or message you without needing your phone number. It also creates a simple T.me link that you can share. This is different from your display name, which is just what people see in chats. Your username is unique to you, and you can change it later if you need to. Start by opening Telegram on your computer, either the desktop app or Telegram web in your browser. The process is virtually the same on both. Once it's open, look to the top left corner of the window and click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. This opens a sidebar where you can manage all your app settings and profile details. From that sidebar, go to Settings. Depending on your version, you might also see your profile section right away at the top. Either way works. The goal is to get to your profile page where your account details are shown. On your profile screen, click Edit Profile. In some interfaces, you can click directly into the username field without pressing Edit first. But if you see an Edit option, click that to make the fields editable. You should now see a field labeled Username. Type the username you want. Telegram usernames must follow character rules. They need to be at least a few characters long, typically 5 or more, and can use letters, numbers, and underscores. No spaces or special symbols. The username has to be unique, so if someone else already has it, you'll be prompted to try another variation. Aim for something memorable and easy to spell, and avoid personal details you don't want to share publicly. As you type, Telegram often shows whether the username is available, and you may also see a preview of the T.me link it will create. When you're happy with your choice and it meets the rules, save your changes. On desktop, you'll usually see a Save or Done button. On web, confirm the change using the visible save control. Once saved, your username is active immediately. You can now share your T.me link with others, and they'll be able to reach you without your phone number. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Your username is public, so treat it like a handle you're comfortable posting online. You can change it whenever you need, but old links won't redirect to the new one. And remember, your display name can still be anything you like, but only the username has to be unique. That's it. You've set your Telegram username quickly and safely.